Take this. Wow, Leo, look right next to you. It's behind you also, and next to you guys. It's right next to Coyote. Look at that guy. What do you think, Sky Guy? What? Oh no, we didn't even fly yet.
Oh yeah, man, did you take a shower?
Jump! Yeah, because it's too bright on that side. What? Wanna come, Coyote? Yeah. Woo! Come on, Mama. Sky's watching. Leo, you have to say you can do it, Mama. You can do it. Woo! Okay.
Only it was a lot smaller than
Hey, let me see your muscles.
Yeah, guys, grow. Can you grow?
What? Eat some pee-pee lemonade! What for, huh? Go. Yeah, we have a machete. A regular van. What do you guys think about this regular van?
Are all 5 children in that? One,
No.
2. Coconuts are us. You can maybe call it coconuts or
Coconut water.
I can help you.
Even for like a 2 night.
Okay. Here you go. Sky guy.
Give 500.
Oh no.
Okay.
Kaden! What's that, Sky Guy? Turtle. What are you guys doing? Say all down Mexico.
I got.
Mexico.
I got.
Okay. How do you guys feel coming back to Colorado? You excited about being back in Colorado? What about you, Leo? How do you feel being back in Colorado? You sad or happy? Why are you sad?
Cousins.
You want to still be with cousins?
Mm-hmm.